Are you a small business owner wondering whether to handle your own bookkeeping? Managing your finances is crucial for the success of your business. Tracking expenses, managing cash flow, and ensuring accurate tax filings can determine your business's financial health. Doing the books yourself allows you to have complete control over your financial records. It can save money on hiring external help, and you'll gain a deeper understanding of your business's financial standing. However, without the right expertise, bookkeeping can become time-consuming and prone to errors. Mistakes in your financial records can lead to misunderstandings or even penalties from tax authorities. Whether to handle the books yourself or hire a professional depends on your time availability, financial knowledge, and business complexity. If you find bookkeeping overwhelming, consulting a professional might be worth the investment. Think carefully about what works best for your business and ensure your financial health stays a top priority.